For over 30 years, New York MEP has been the trusted partner for small to medium-sized New York State manufacturers, boosting productivity, profitability, and competitiveness. Our expert team, with decades of manufacturing experience, understands the challenges faced by manufacturers today. Starting with a personalized discovery meeting, we tailor strategic solutions to bridge the gap between your current state and future vision. From C-level executives to the shop floor, New York MEP provides customized consulting and training solutions in lean, quality, sales and marketing, workforce development, HR, cybersecurity, information technology, supply chain management, safety, engineering, and more. In addition, New York MEP is part of a national network of manufacturing extension partnership MEP centers, all with the mission to help domestic manufacturers thrive. Supported and partially funded by the U.S. Department of Commerce and the state of New York, we bring you the strength and resources of a nationwide network. Don't just take our word for it, see what clients are saying. Let New York MEP be the catalyst for taking your business to the next level. Contact us today and let's drive growth and success together. New York MEP, your trusted advisor for manufacturing excellence.